Tony, breakfast is ready. You can come get it now. Your father's waiting.
Alright, mommy, now come right now. Give me a second.
Let us pray.
Bless us, God. Bless our food and our drink, since you redeem us so dearly, and deliver us from evil.
Hi, Tony.
Yeah, well, one station. Yo, you know, get rid of that missing up on TikTok. You see the big body girl that wind up herself, my youth. So how do you, so?
I don't feel real good. My head's killing me.
Nurse not take a turn now. That's the little side video I see on TikTok, alright? Don't forget to watch it, you know.
The hell, the room's spinning. Oh.
Your friend's gonna be alright. I'm just kinda dehydrated. And, well, he also has the flu.
Well, I can take him home, make him rest. My aunt is his sister, so I know she let him live. I'll take care of him. I just want him to be alright.
Well, that's really sweet of you. Well, make sure he gets lots of rest and drinks lots of liquid. I don't know why, but it seems like he's not eating a lot. Okay, I'll make sure to taste his sister and let her know what's going on.
Nurse, I'm gonna feel good. But feel like I'm sick. Me live take care of me. You know, I'm a back already too. Maybe I can rub my back too.
Winnie, every time you come in here to claim to get sick, there's nothing wrong with you, alright? Keep wishing it by yourself, you might get sick.
Well, as long as you take care of me, I'll me not even busy say Alpha. I'll if I Ebola me have.
Tony, we had to here. He's alright. I'm going to bring him home, okay?
You can manage by yourself. You know what? We even have to ruin the man thing. We make it bring him more, man. Just let you come check upon him, come on with him, alright or not. I'm brushing that, you know. Make sure you can't find me in a Shaana.
Well, he is my friend too. I'm not worried about him. He's gonna be fine. Don't worry.
Alright, now say a word. Me text him later and see what go on with him. Cause sister won't give me our number, so, you know. But anyways, me off, my gun. Bye, nurse.
Shaana, thanks for bringing him home. But you also remember, say, Sean don't want you here, okay?
My business about daddy. Oliver is sick.
I know that, Shaana, but your father is really upset about it already, and I don't want to make things worse.
Well, don't tell him. Hey, Big Ed. I made you some soup. Diana's here, so I'ma soon leave. No worry, Ma. You'll soon feel better. Just rest up, alright?
I really appreciate the fact that you brought me home, Shaana.
No worry about it. Remember, saying me and his friends.
Yeah, but it was real sweet of you to bring me here. I really appreciate it. I mean, nobody's ever done anything like this for me. I love that you looked out for me. I really appreciate it.
Alright, you can done now. We're good. We just want to make sure you reach home safe. We better leave before you get me sick. Drink the soup, okay? I'll text you later.
Alright, bye, Shauna.
Diana, may I head out later?
Alright, bye.
Oh. Hi, Anthony.
You sure? I'm just sure I'm alright.
Yeah, man, my little niece bring him come here. Him good, man. She even make him soup. Him very popular here.
Alright, when him wake up, tell him to call me, okay? I'm gonna tell Octavia what I'm gonna come, no shall freak out. But just make sure him call me. Yo, daddy, him alright? Him good? Yo, make sure him call me too when I want to talk to him. Yeah, man, they are the same good, man. Him a rest up. Our niece make him some soup. Alright, Diana. Me talk to you later, alright? Keep me up. Alright, yeah, man. Alright, later. Alright. Yo, welcome your sister. To me say I rent out the condo. What you do that for? You see? Daddy married to say me have plans. I want to buy a house. So I have to rent out the condo for make extra money. Buy a house? Wait, do you mean buy a house in Jamaica? What the hell you want? Where you want to buy a house in Jamaica for? You plan to live down there? You know what? I'm not to tell you that. And my money, I mean work it. Alright, man. Just want to buy the house, okay? Stop worrying about my life.
Hardeep, thank you so much for buying the medicine for Oliver.
Not cool, man. We are won't go youth. We're starting to feel alright.
You see, that's why I love you so much. You're so sweet.
Just me not, Mr. Right? For you. We're over in a day,
I love you too. You know, my niece came here for take care of Oliver. Boy, that little boy there. See, just like him father. Woman all over. It's just kind of complicated because our father no want her here.
Well, just not tell him. If you take a cause that issue, leave it alone, Diana. I mean, as she choose to come here and take care of your brother, but it never forced her.
I understand why Shauna like the youth is a good youth. Come for talk to him.
Maybe more think differently if it's coming from a male point of view with your own mess. If you think you are be biased because I look up brother, so you don't really want to hear what you have to say. If you understand what I mean.
Yeah, me understand.
I forgot about my mother house could deal with some things. I was she want me.
Yeah, I know she tired for seeing me on video call.
But look who it is. Why is the name? Oh, yeah, well, look for your boyfriend Oliver near same text you can drop down. So you bring go, yeah, we'll bring some medicine.
Medicine? Look like a nurse here.
So, tell me what really upon your mind, Miss Susie. You not just come on my house for no reason, so what about it here?
From my father come back, him not even come look for me or rush him. It just feel a way about all of this. And my grandparents them still are going like say them never do nothing wrong. All them not for tell me what happened to my father. And basically then my cause it. I feel so stupid. I don't even know what to do. I'm so vexed.
I honestly feel like you're overreacting. For one, you don't know what happened. They didn't get into full detail about it. And I don't know why you're so angry. Maybe there's something going on deeper than what you would know.
What else could be going on? All I'm have to do is tell.
Mother just texted me she buy Popeyes. You want anything? Top from now?
Masha, I'm not thinking about food. I'm having a crisis here. You as my best friend, you're not even helping. You're telling me to relax? That don't make no sense. I haven't seen my father from my baby, and I don't even know who the hell him is. That's what's bothering me so much, and why I want him come see us. I'm not gonna go look for him, you know. I don't care if it's petty. I'm not going to go look for him.
I didn't want to look for him. I see why you're yelling at me.
Because you pissed me off?
The only thing I have to say is that you should be happy that your father is even alive. That's all I'm gonna say.
Oliver. Oliver. Did you drink the soup that I made for you?
Yeah, I tried to keep it down.
So you feeling a little better?
Yeah, I mean, compared to yesterday, a whole lot better.
I told you, I work like magic.
Yeah, you really do. What the hell, Shaana? Shaana, what are you doing here? What are you doing here so early in the morning, Shaana? Shaana, don't make me call you.
Why would you want to do that, eh?
Because you're at my house early in the morning. You're a teen.
Deanna, don't start with me, alright? You know, me like you and everything, but don't make your life a living hell, okay?
Excuse me? Threaten me right now?
I wouldn't call it a threat per se, I'm just saying. I mean, we don't want a little secret of yours to get out to your fiance about, you know, a certain someone you're still in love with. Yes, me know. I know your feelings towards Junior. Just stay out of my way.
Hey, Susie, wanna kick? Susie. Susie, I know you're vexed with me, but you have to hear our side of the story. What happened with your father is not something we did ever expect to happen. When your father the young guy was a good youth, straight A's everything in a school. But him kinda lose path after I meet your mother. I don't know what happened. But him just went down a dark path and
So you're basically trying to blame me for everything that happened to my father, basically. I mean, how am I the cause of him not trying to be?
I'm not blaming you, Susie. Your mother was older than him, and after she had you,
She died, so I get it. I ruined both my parents' life. I should have never been born.
Oliver, I have to go to work now, okay? Shauna is gonna stay here with you and make sure that you're alright. If you feel up to it, I left some lunch money on the table for you for school tomorrow, okay? Just know that I love you, alright, Oliver? I'll see you later.
Yeah, up, sleepyhead. I made you some food. Go eat. You need to build up back your strength. Trust me, you'll be alright for school tomorrow. You look even better than the day before. And when you're done, take a bath, alright? It will cool down your body and make you feel a lot better. Alright? Let's go run and go to the shop. Go buy some orange juice for you.
Wow. Shaana, I really appreciate everything you're doing for me. I mean, nobody's ever really, took care of me so much. I mean, other than my mom.
I mean, that's what friends are for, right? I just want you to feel better. They worry me when you drop down in school. Hold on. Go and go in the room, go lie down. Somebody's at the door. What the hell you are doing here? Did somebody call you to come here? But just still want to make sure I'm alright. I never get a chance to speak to him. I just want to know I'm cool. Okay? I'm more than alright. And if you did really concerned about him, you would have checked on him when he be fall down in school. You know what, Shaana? You're such a freaking bitch. You know that? Susie, go on in your yard. Yeah, whatever. Mad girl. Yeah, but you wish it was me, huh? You really wish it was me. Bellevue of placement for you. Go and go look for your mother at the cemetery. Don't worry, Oliver. You're gonna be just fine.
The dog, healthy and nice, It's a Shaana take care of you. See, how you want it? But I see your girl, you know?
Wait, how did you know she took care of me? Did she?
You watch it. Why me they come look for you when you got a nurse, you know? What the nurse sexy do me not lie. You can cough for me 2 times, make it 6 so me can go look for her. What? Lick me in my head. 2 times we're on big stone. She must have made me stay in there. But I stayed a whole day in there if be next to that nurse, then man. You have an idea. Push me down the stairs. And then I broke my arm and then I have to go in there. And then, yeah, I can come to school and make sure check up on it more while. I thought you for do, man. Bro, push me down the stairs. Do it for me, yo, dog. I'm not tell nobody.
What the hell is wrong with you? I'm not gonna push you down the stairs.
Me just trip and fall down the stairs. I go in high.
Hey, Susie. How are you? Is everything okay with you? Are you alright?
Can you just leave me alone, please, Oliver? Go away. Sick and tired of you. Find something to know.
Oh, hey, Shaana. Sorry. I,
Yeah, alright. You look like you're dopey. What about you? Talk now? What is it?
well, you promise not to tell anyone what I saw?
Yeah, man, Oliver. You know that already. I'm not tell nobody nothing.
Well,
Oh no, I'm a baby. You alright? When we may you work our cars together.
Oliver, let me talk to you later.